Hi, boys and girls. All right, today is going to be kind of a tricky lesson for us to do with you being home because this is an exploration lesson. So we're just going to try to do our best and be able to try some things on a computer, and then maybe you can try some things that you have at home. So first, as always, we want to try to do our mental math, and today it has to do with filling up beakers with water and being able to decide how many you would use using those multiplication and division kind of skills to help you solve this. And then here we're going to be practicing fractions. So it says for you to kind of draw this out, right? And it says to imagine this number line from 0 to 1 with 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, and 5, 6 on the number line. And then what fraction would be closest to the 0 and which fraction would be closest to 1. Okay, so write out your thinking here. And that's what we're going to be focusing on today, is focusing on fractions on a number line. I think this is going to be the easiest one for us to be able to do at home with some of the materials that we have. But really, for explorations, we should be trying several different things. So I'm going to kind of show you what those are. But again, we're focusing on exploration A, exploration B, and C are going to be optional. So today we're exploring. So this does not mean we need to be experts at these things. Now with the fractions, we should be pretty good at it because we've talked about fractions on a number line many times. But these are going to just be helpful for later lessons, kind of going into 4th grade and later in 3rd grade. So let's talk about exploration A. So exploration A, I told you, is fractions. So remember last time we talked about fractions, we were given this is kind of what it looks like and evaluate, right? And then we try to figure out like where can you place 3/4, right? And we've talked about it with the fractions already given, but also when they don't give you the lines on here with the fractions given, you can kind of think, okay, well, this is about half, 3/4 is bigger than half, so that's probably around this area, since I know 1 would be like 4/4. So our new learning today is going to have you try to combine not just knowing like the halves or the eighths by themselves, but thinking how all of these fractions kind of go together, like on a ruler. See how it's like halves and fourths and eighths, right? So we're going to kind of combine all of them and kind of try to shrink them into one solid number line with all these fractions. Okay, I'm going to pause here and I'm going to come back and model how I can do that.